You're the kind of person you meet at certain dismal, dull affairs. Center of a crowd, talking much too loud, running up and down the stairs. Well, it seems to me that you've seen too much in too few years. And though you've tried, you just can't hide. Your eyes are etched with tears. You better stop. Look around. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's just your 19th nervous breakdown. When you were a child, you were treated kind, but you never brought up right. You were always spoiled with 1,000 toys. You still cried at night. And your mother, who neglected you, was $1 million tax. And your father's still perfecting ways of making sealing wax. You better stop. Look around. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes your 19th nervous breakdown. Oh, who's playing? That girl's just insane. Well, nothing I do don't seem to work, only seem to make matters worse. So please, you were still in school when you had that fool really messed up your mind. And after that, you turned your back on treating people kind. On our first trip, I tried so hard to rearrange your mind. But after a while, I realized you were disarranging mine. You better stop. Look around. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes your 19th nervous breakdown. Oh, who's to blame? That girl's just insane. Well, nothing I do don't seem to work, only seem to make matters worse. So please, when you were a child, you were treated kind, but you were never brought up right. You were always spoiled with 1,000 toys, but you still cried at night. Your mother, who neglected you, owes $1 million tax. And your father's still perfecting ways of making sealing wax. You better stop. Look around. Here it comes.